Hello, we're back. In episode 57, I said we'd be talking about the port of Invader to the LowRes NX Virtual Console, programmed in BASIC using LowRes NX Basic in the Genie editor. LowRes NX is a virtual console like Pico 8 or TIC80, but uses BASIC as its programming language instead of Lua. It's pretty powerful, free, and comes with great documentation and example files. It also has graphics and sound editors, actually both written in LowRes NX Basic. There's even a forum if you need help. Let's take a look at our code in the Genie editor on my Raspberry Pi. It doesn't get much easier than this. Very simple basic code. And down here we have our palettes, sprites, and sound effects. I haven't learned how to use the sound editor, so I stole some sound data from another game by just copying and pasting it into my disk file, and called the sound effects in my code. If you're wondering how I created my sprites, you just run the included graphics designer, also created with LowRes NX Basic. Graphics Designer looks for a file called disk.nx and loads it automatically. If it doesn't find one, it will create it. This one has my palettes and sprites on it. It defaults to palette 0, but we can switch it here. I created a separate palette for my sprites since the font uses palette 0. You'll see in my code that I had to set my sprites to palette 1. The graphics designer also comes with a map editor, but I haven't used it yet. And of course we have our sound composer, but I haven't messed with this yet either. So without further ado, let's take a look at Invader on LowRes NX. Let's take a look at some of the included sample programs that come with LowRes NX. So as you can see, this is a very capable development environment for someone just starting out in game programming. I can't believe it's free. If you haven't checked out my other videos, I'll leave a link in the description where you can find them. This video brings me up to 58 episodes in total. So next episode I will be showing a port of Invader to the Atari Lynx in C using the Notepad++ editor and CC65-6502 C compiler. That about wraps up episode 58 of my journey in game programming. Please like and subscribe and leave any comments or suggestions you may have that could make these a better experience. Until then, bye. I'll talk to you next time.